Recognize this sound? If you like to crack or pop your knuckles, you probably do. What happens to our joints when we crack them? Is it bad for us? I'm Denise Galendez from Group 211 Abraham, and let's find out the answer in this video. Synovial fluid is a lubricant-like substance that's found in between your joints. It kind of looks like an egg yolk. So when you stretch out your joint, you are releasing gas, and that gas forms a bubble and it collapses and pops. In order to crack the same knuckle again, you have to wait about 30 minutes for the gas to return back to its fluid. So is the knuckle cracking habit safe? Probably. Donald Anger, a Californian doctor who cracked the knuckles of his left hand at least twice a day for more than 16 years as a control, left his right knuckles uncracked. As the result, he couldn't see the slightest sign of arthritis in either hand. And he published his research. And guess what? It won him an Ig Nobel Prize in 2009 in science. But there's still a chance it's not good for you. In 1990, it did find that cracking your knuckles over a long period of time led to hand swelling and decreased grip strength. But there hasn't been any follow-up research. So while cracking your knuckles may not be bad for you, there's still no guarantee that your popping habit won't annoy the people around you.